All right, let's take a look at example number 3. Rectangular carpet has an area of x cubed minus 5x plus 12 square meters. If the width of the carpet is x plus 3, determine an expression for the length. All right, well, we know that area is equal to length times width. We're given the area, we're given the width, so in order to find the length, does it make sense we take the area and divide it by the width? So take a look at this guy. He's missing a term, so I've got to consider this polynomial with the missing term. I'm going to use synthetic division because it's a little easier than long division. And I'm going to write down the coefficients. So I have 1 from in front of the x cubed term, a 0, a negative 5, and a 12. And I'm going to divide that by negative 3. All right, let's get started here. I'm going to bring the 1 down. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Add them up. I got negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. I'm going to add those up. Then I have negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And I'm going to add those up, which is good. I have a remainder of 0. So an expression for the length of the carpet is going to be 1 degree lower than this guy. So it's going to be x squared minus 3x plus 4. If the width of the carpet is 9 meters, determine the length of the carpet. All right, well, the width is 9, so we know that x plus 3 represents the width. I'm going to oh my goodness, there we go. We're going to sub in the 9 for the width. So we know that x is equal to 6. So to determine the length, now that I know that x is 6, I'm going to take this expression that we figured out from above, and I'm going to sub in 6 for the x, and I believe that if we work that out, we end up with 22 meters. All right, let's take a look at example number 4. When the polynomial is divided by 3x minus 2, the quotient is 2x squared plus 2x plus 3, and the remainder is 7. Find A, B, C, and D. All right, so I know that if I take the divisor and multiply it by the quotient and add the remainder, I end up with the polynomial. And that's from when we just started the different forms of polynomials. That's how I knew how to organize that. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to do some algebra to simplify this guy. So distributive property, so 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. And then 3x times 3 is 9x. Now I'm going to distribute the negative 2 in here. Negative 2 times 2x squared is negative 4x squared minus 4x minus 6. And then this guy, we don't have to distribute anything because he's added on to the end. Now I'm going to gather my like terms. and I discover that the polynomial is 6x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 1.